This video was sponsored by Enhance, NeoWatt, ABRP, Elbilmek, Kempower and EB Hub. Alright, we're back home. Let's take a look at the results. So the X9 Performance, acceleration-wise, it was actually a lot faster than spec, but the car was almost empty. I had some of the car seat in there because it's a pain in the butt to remove it. 503 horsepower. Despite that it weighs 2.9 tons, it is the fastest van ever tested. ID Bus here was actually a little bit slower. It has less horsepower, actually weighs more, so maybe flat the power core. I'm not sure what's up with that. We can see here. It's slightly faster off the line. Yeah, if you see here, 1 point, versus here. Yeah, okay, whatever. We're not going to speculate too much on that. But further down here, you see a lot further down, if this matters. There, EV2 down there. Almost 9.5 seconds. PV5 passenger, almost 10 seconds. EQV, over 10 seconds, but it's a van, right? So, but okay, if you want the performance version, you can actually get a very good performance here. But that's not what this van is all about, right? It's about the noise. And look here at the noise level. It is insanely good. I think I mentioned this on some of the other videos, but you just have to see the numbers here. It is as quiet as the Maybach. At least there, and when it goes faster, then okay, the Maybach has probably some insane soundproofing. But remember that the Maybach is 3 million NOK, and then the X9 Performance is only 800,000. So it's almost 4 times the price. And you can even get if you don't go for the performance and the smaller battery, you also get the exact same car, more or less. It's just different drivetrain, different battery. And you can still get this extremely quiet cabin. When I talked to the importer today, Knut Arne Markussen, he claims that the Xpeng has the ANC, or the active noise cancelling, but it cannot be turned on or off. Well, I'm not sure. When I tested the P7 Plus, I couldn't really hear any difference. Or normally when I move the microphone a bit forward or out of the sweet spot, I will hear a difference. Obviously, I move my head away, right? I didn't hear any difference. So yeah, I'm not sure, was it active or not? But you see, we even have modest wheel sizes. It's not the 65-70 profile balloon tires. It's actually 20-inch. But it beats the more expensive Volvo ES90, it actually beats the EL8, also more expensive. It beats the EX90, the Hongqi, the Ioniq 9. It can go home. EQC can go home. Q6 e-tron. Everything else. Oh yeah, what about? Wait, let me see. iX350. Yeah, look. Here. The iX50, the most hyped up car this year, the Neue Klasse, was on position 73. Yeah, the crazy thing is that this car here, the iX3, costs more or less the same as the one up here, 800,000, a little bit over 800,000 NOK. That's how insane. Okay, well, not this car. I'm already in the G6 now. The new G6, huh? Do you like it? But this is okay. Performance-wise, the X9. The best, yeah. And then, yeah, okay, I didn't test the Denza D9, but it's not available here. But in Thailand, the Denza has only around 300 horsepower, even though it's all-wheel drive. But performance-wise, X9, the best, the fastest minivan. Noise level, okay, almost the best then. All right, only Maybach is better. Space, comfort, like quality, luxury feel, features, massage, charging anyone? It's okay, I don't know, it's just extremely good. Yes, I think we're done now. Okay, anyway, that's gonna be for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.